5 great ways to make room for new blessings in your life. Does it sometimes feel like life's richest blessings are passing you by? Do you feel like everyone around you is blessed and you've been overlooked? It's easy to feel a little cheated when you look at how much your friends and family members have. Their happiness seems to know no bounds. And every venture they undertake always yields success. You deserve all those blessings too. And you're more than able to get them. All it takes is knowledge of how to make room for them in your life. Once you get into the habit of using these tips, you can expect to see things turn around in your life. Let go of grudges. One of the easiest ways to prevent yourself from receiving blessings is to hold on to grudges. Avoiding forgiveness only clouds your heart with negative energy. Pretty soon, even the blessings in your life seem like burdens to you. Give it a try. Make an honest attempt at forgiving your coworker for painting you in a bad light. As hard as it is, you'll instantly feel lighter when you allow yourself to forgive. If an issue is beyond resolution, make up your mind to take the high road. Agree to disagree and move on to better things. Be kind to others. You can always rely on the fact that kindness to others results in kindness coming back. What you throw out to those around you has a funny way of returning. Make every effort to be kind today. There are many opportunities to be kind each day. How about that beggar on the corner? Avoid holding your head straight when you pass. Smile and say good morning as you hand him a few bucks. Commit to only saying kind words about others today. Let this apply to even the people who have offended you. Acknowledge small blessings. Sure, you have your mind set on great blessings. But have you taken the time to express gratitude for the small ones? Even though they're small, they're valuable. Avoid overlooking them if you want to continue receiving them. Being able to see the sunrise each day is a blessing in itself. Consider that many people cannot enjoy that luxury. Work at maximum effort. Everything you are tasked to do is worth doing well. The onus is on you to produce the best quality work you can. And it's also your responsibility to put in maximum effort. The rewards are sure to come when you do. Ignore the fact that there hasn't been a pay increase for the last 6 months. Keep working anyway. When you got the job, you committed to performing at a certain standard. Stick to your commitment. You'll be rewarded with awesome blessings at the right time. Get rid of baggage. Baggage can come in the form of sadness or depression. Perhaps you just left an unhealthy relationship. Or you're at odds with your oldest friend. Whatever it is, let it go so you can focus on being a happier, healthier you. Wallowing in sadness may feel good now, but consider how it's affecting your ability to see great opportunities. If all you can see is darkness, you'll likely only receive negativity in your life. Free yourself of the weight of baggage. As you allow yourself to implement these changes, you can expect wonderful blessings to flow. Take the time to build your pool of blessings. You have the key to open the door to the best that life has in store. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.